Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here. In today's video, I want to talk about why in the world I bought a Canon M50 in 2020. And so the Canon M50 has been out since 2018, and it's an entry-level mirrorless camera. And so I'm not going to go too in-depth with the features of this camera. I just want to explain a couple of them and then why I got it. And so this camera can shoot 1080p, and it can shoot 4K. It's cropped. It's only 23 frames or 24 frames per second. I didn't get it for 4K. I'm not really interested in that. It's a nice feature to have just in case I want to use it. But mostly I got this because it is lightweight, compact, microphone jack, cold shoe mount on the front, and it records good video, and it also takes pretty decent stills. And so you may be saying, why in the world didn't you just get a Canon G7X Mark III? I've used a Canon G7X Mark I. I really enjoyed it, but I got dust in the lens. I tried cleaning it, doing a little bit of a home remedy. And you're not supposed to try to have the little shutters fall off. Well, when I was trying to fix it, the shutters fell off, and it's a pain to try to get them back on, and the lens opens and it doesn't really shut well. I can use it, but it's a pain to use. And also there's no mic jack, and the G7X Mark III has that, but the autofocus is having a lot of issues. It did get a firmware update, but people said it's still not near as good as the G7X Mark II. So that led me to a hunt of what do I want to buy. So I was looking at the Canon M50, the Canon EOS RP, and then actually the Canon 90D, because I have a T3i, I like a DSLR, wanted to get something better to take pictures, but the 90D is like $1,200. The EOS RP is right around $1,000, but the Canon M50 with the kit lens and the Rode Video Mic Go and an SD card was only $650. And a big shout out to Kyle Taggart for recommending this on Twitter. So I think for the price, this is a pretty good deal. I mean, it has electronic viewfinder, it has a flip out touchscreen, mic jack, like I said. I really don't like that the battery and the SD compartment are on the bottom. It's not the end of the world. I can still access it if I have it on like a flexible tripod. Oh, please don't fall, whatever's on the table. Flexible tripod like this. It is lacking in some areas. You know, there's no super slow motion. You can do 120 frames per second in 720p without autofocus and with no audio. And I realize that's almost useless. But like I said, I'm not getting this for that stuff. I just want good 1080p video that I can take that is pretty portable. And so the real reason that I got this is because I want to make some more videos on our vlog channel. It's kind of about homesteading / vlogs, just / moving into our house and building our family in our house, stuff like that. And also, I wanted a nice B-roll camera or a nice camera that I can take into small spots for this channel. And I actually used it for my Revered Beards channel. I have way too many channels. And so it's a lot easier to lug this around than it is my Canon C100. That thing's like 7 pounds with everything. This is like 2 pounds. And with the Rode Video Mic Go, it might be like 2 pounds and 3 ounces or something like that. I don't know the official measurements, but I got the creator's kit, which comes with the Rode Video Mic Go. This is pretty much your little setup for vlogging and really anything else. The image stabilization is pretty good. It's not the best that there is, but it has dual pixel autofocus, which the G7X line doesn't have. And I really like the dual pixel autofocus. I like Canon colors. I know I could have probably got a Sony for less money that could do more, but I really don't care because I like the way Canon stuff works. I'm invested in the Canon ecosystem, and so I just wanted to stick with that. And I also got an adapter that I can't seem to locate right now. I thought it was up here. That I can go from the M lens mount to my EF mount or EFS mount, so I can use my Sigma lens or my 18-35 or 18-135 that I'm using right now on the C100. That way I have more lens choices, and there are some options that are native to this mount. I just got the kit lens because I think that's all I'm gonna need right now. But it's a nice portable little camera, and I'll include some footage that I've taken so far. Haven't got too much time to mess with it, but I really like this setup. I kind of was on the fence about getting this camera. Time will tell if I really am glad with the decision I made or if I should have went with something else. But so far, I really like the weight of it and just how compact it is. And yeah, that's why I got it in 2020. I have a thing for buying old cameras. I bought this like a year and a half ago, the C100. It was released, 2014? But they're good cameras and they hold their value and they make great video. And I still do not think that 4K is the industry standard. I watch my videos in 1080p. Most people watch videos on their phone. They can't really tell the difference between 1080p and 4K. 4K is nice and there is a use for it. I love being able to crop footage of 4K for 4K cameras that I have used. But, for me, it's really not worth it to be shooting in 4K or to be uploading in 4K, I should say. And so that's it for this video. I just want to make a quick video overviewing this Canon M50, going over a couple of the features and why I chose it over something like the G7X and the Canon 90D or the EOS RP. This is only $650, and I think for that price, it makes a really nice either vlog camera or a B camera or just a main camera for that matter. So if you guys use the Canon M50, let me know how you like it down in the comment section below. If you have any tips or tricks on operating this thing, I have to get a couple extra batteries, maybe an actual battery adapter that I can plug in. That way I can run it for live streams. It does have HDMI clean output, which is a nice feature. But I'll go over more of that in a future video. And so thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in the Canon M50, I will link it down in the description below where I got it off of Amazon. And if you did like the video, also hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos from me. And check out all the social links. They are down in the description below. Instagram and Twitter, Tyler Miller TV on both of those. And so again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.